Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Charles Schwab in 2025. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and using your Charles Schwab account, providing you with the knowledge and skills to manage your investments effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Charles Schwab is a leading online brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products and services. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Charles Schwab website. Simply click on the Open an Account button and follow the prompts to enter your personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you can fund it by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. You can also set up a direct deposit from your paycheck or other investment accounts. It's essential to fund your account to start investing, and Charles Schwab offers various funding options to make it easy. Now, let's explore the Charles Schwab platform. The website and mobile app are user-friendly, and you can easily navigate through the various sections. The dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, investment portfolio, and market news. You can also access various tools and resources, such as research reports, market analysis, and educational materials. To start investing, you can browse through the various investment products offered by Charles Schwab, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. You can also use the Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, which is a robo-advisory service that provides automated investment management. When selecting investments, it's crucial to consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. You should also diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns. Charles Schwab offers a range of investment products to help you achieve your goals, and you can use the research tools and resources to make informed investment decisions. In addition to investing, Charles Schwab also offers a range of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. You can manage your banking accounts and investments in one place, making it easy to track your finances and make informed decisions. To get the most out of your Charles Schwab account, it's essential to monitor your investments regularly and adjust your portfolio as needed. You should also take advantage of the various tools and resources available, such as the Schwab mobile app, which allows you to manage your account on the go. In conclusion, using Charles Schwab in 2025 is easy and convenient. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can set up and use your account effectively, make informed investment decisions, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always monitor your investments, diversify your portfolio, and take advantage of the various tools and resources available to you. With Charles Schwab, you can take control of your finances and secure your financial future.